Ever dreamed of selling your amazing products directly from your popular WordPress blog? It's totally possible to fuse the power of your content with Shopify's robust e-commerce engine, and I'm going to show you exactly how. The most common and straightforward way to connect your Shopify store to your WordPress website is by using the official Shopify Buy Button app. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin. Once logged in, navigate to the apps section here. You'll search for the Buy Button app. It's officially made by Shopify, so rest assured it's designed for seamless integration. Click on the Add App button to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your Shopify store. This will grant you the ability to create customizable product purchase buttons or even embed entire product collections. Now, within the Shopify Buy Button app interface, you can choose which products you want to sell on your WordPress site. You can customize the look and feel of your buy buttons to match your WordPress theme perfectly, ensuring a cohesive user experience. Once you've configured your buy buttons in Shopify, it's time to bring them to your WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to your plugins section. You'll need to install a plugin that will allow you to embed your Shopify buy buttons. Search for the official Shopify Lite plugin or a reputable third-party plugin designed for Shopify integration. Install and activate the plugin of your choice. This plugin will provide you with the necessary tools to embed your Shopify content. After activating the plugin, you'll likely be prompted to connect your Shopify account. Follow the plugin's instructions to link your Shopify store. Then, head over to the specific WordPress post or page where you want to display your products. You'll either paste a generated embed code or use a specific shortcode provided by the plugin. And just like that, your Shopify products are now live and ready for purchase on your WordPress website, offering a powerful combination of content marketing and streamlined e-commerce sales. You're now leveraging the strengths of both platforms to grow your online business.